That's the guy that does the great fart sound as well.
I make warriors. Oh, let's go get him.
Very tough question to start off with. Is Knuckles the coolest character you've ever played? Because I feel like he's up there.
Yeah, you've got to hand it to him, Knuckles. No. Okay, that joke's starting off. He's got good hair. I've got hair envy with Knuckles. He's a little height challenged, but that's okay.
He's seriously cool.
He's the guy.
I think that Nicolas Cage might be one of the best nicknames I've ever heard. Please tell me that Nicolas Cage knows about this.
Well, I don't know, but I'm gonna call him
Please call him.
right now. Nick, Idris, Elba. Sorry about this. Yeah, you do, man. Yeah, no. We are anyway. Moving on. That skit went on way too long.
He approves. We know that.
You're super powerful. You recently saved the world with your friends. What do you like to do for fun?
Vengeance.
I was thinking more like reading or yoga.
Knuckles is also known as the world's greatest treasure hunter. Do you have any hidden talents, any party tricks?
Hidden talent is that I'm fluent in about 9 languages. That is not true.
Well, you fooled me.
I know.
Acting, I think, might be your bag.
I think hidden talent is that I can lie really well, really quickly. And then party tricks, I can do a really satisfying fart sound.
Can you do it right now? You're coming out with the goods, Idris.
The goods.
That was amazing.
Sound man, how was that? Fantastic. Thumbs up over there.
Isn't it great to finally relax?
I am an Echidna warrior.
How often do you get people coming over to you asking you to do the Knuckles voice?
Actually, not yet. No, it hasn't started yet. I think with the show, because people first of all, I don't think people know it's Idris playing Knuckles yet. It's kind of like, you know what I mean? Like the kids that watch the movie haven't put the two together. But I think the show, which is because it's all about Knuckles, I think people will be like, after they see this interview with you, they're gonna be like, oh, I get it, that's him.
That's the guy that does the great fart sound as well.
No, the voice of Knuckles is really hard to do just willy-nilly. It's like hard because I have to prepare.
But speaking of voices, how often do you get recognised solely because of your voice when you're out and about?
Quite a bit. Like if I've like gone to get a coffee from somewhere, do you know what I'm saying? And then, be like, oh, what would you like? And I go, oh, can I have a? And I go, is that Sky Man? You're the guy from Sky commercials. Yeah, there's Idris is one. No, but can I have an Americano? Can I have an Americano?
That's brilliant. But Knuckles is, of course, a 16-year-old teenager. If you could go back and give some advice to your teenage self, what would it be?
It'd only be a couple of years for me, so...
Of course, yeah.
2 years ago, what would I say to myself? I would actually say, believe in yourself, okay? Don't get caught up in the wrong energy, because that would take years off your life. And have fun with it, that's what I'd say. I did daydream a lot about what my career might be like, and it often was like having fight scenes with Claude Van Damme. I'm like, but I've not done that, so it's different. But I am Knuckles with Sonic, so that's big.
Nope, we are not turning our living room into some kind of gladiator fighting pit. What is Ozzy doing here?
He will be challenging his greatest enemy.
Is that our mailman?
And, of course, one of Knuckles' rivals is Rouge the Bat. Is there anyone that you'd love to see cast as Rouge the Bat?
Oh, I mean, without setting off rumours or anything like that.
We won't do that.
But Rouge the Bat could be, Rebel Wilson. Right.
Chef's kiss. I think we'll just cast that.
Well, yeah, do you think?
Please, can you give me a cut when this happens?
I'll ask.
Thank
see
you.
If I can get on the phone. No, I'm joking. I did that skit, didn't I?
We've already spoken to Nicolas Cage.
Knuckles Cage.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Such
you
a
very
pleasure
much. It
talking
was
to
a lot
you.
of fun. Thank you.
Thank you.